Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Detailed Recipes channel. In this video you can watch how to make traditional Maraş Çörek, pastries that are very simple to make, delicious and do not get stale, ingredients for making traditional Maraş crispy buns. 20 grams of dry yeast, or you can also use fresh yeast. 40 grams of black cumin. 125 grams of butter, 20 grams of salt. 900 grams of flour. 500 grams of warm water. It is known as grooved roller or striped roller. This roller made of hornbeam tree is used only in the making of this bun. I add the wheat flour to the strainer and start by sifting it on the counter. I create a pool by opening the middle of the flour. I add dry yeast. I add black cumin. I add salt. I add the butter. After adding the warm water to the well in the middle, I mix it slowly. After the dough hardens a little, I add the flour around the edges and start kneading. First I added 800 grams of flour and then I added another 100 grams of flour for a total of 900 grams of flour. I got a dough that didn't stick to anything hard. I knead the dough until it is very smooth. I stretch the dough by rolling it. After dividing the dough into 4 pieces, I prepare it into walnut-sized pieces. It may be slightly larger than a walnut. We can say that it is the size of a ping-pong ball. I shape the dough by rolling it. A total of 40 donut dough was prepared. I prepare the dough in tea saucer size by pressing it with my hand. Now I shape the dough with a special striped rolling pin. I complete the shape of the donut by passing the dough from right to left with a rolling pin. The dough sticks to the rolling pin a little, but this is not a problem. I sprinkle some flour on the rolling pin and some flour on the dough. This is the shape of the Maraş bun. I have also seen that sometimes it is made larger. Maraş Çörek, which is indispensable for wealthy or poor families of Kahramanmaraş, is one of the oldest recipes of this land. Maraş bun, which people gather together and make in their homes before the Eid al-Fitr, has become so traditional for this period that some people change the name of the Eid al-Fitr as Donut Feast. Now my friends, I want you to support me from my subscribers who follow me or from everyone who watches this video who is not subscribed. A financial process has started for me and the state wants almost all of my YouTube income from the past years under the name of tax. You can support by watching. After completing the shaping process, I place the buns on aluminum trays. Normally these buns are baked in stone ovens over wood fire. A hole is made by hitting the middle of the buns with the handle of the rolling pin. This is to prevent them from rising. I set the oven temperature to high and I will fry the buns at 180 degrees for 13 minutes. The top and bottom of the buns should be nicely browned. The buns are currently in a soft state and will become more crunchy after cooling. I prepared these buns for breakfast and will serve them by adding things like cheese, jam, tahini, molasses, or chocolate. You only need a striped rolling pin to make this bun. I tried it with a griddle, but I didn't get very good results. You can try to make stripes in other ways, but I haven't seen anything as beautiful as the one made with a striped rolling pin. These plain buns go great with a well-brewed tea. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.